Welcome to episode 2 of Konan's in the next 2 minutes. If you'd like to start this series from the very beginning, click the link in the description above. In this episode, we will actually start using Konan's functionalities to build and deploy our financial institution's decision engine down to its smallest details. Specifically, what we will be doing in this episode is creating a rule that automatically accepts a specific age so that your team doesn't have to do it themselves. The first thing we must do, however, is create a new project for our organization. We will click on the button on the top right here called New Workflow. And since this series is called in the next 2 minutes, we will name our business ITN2M Bank. Not the fanciest name in the world, but it'll do the trick. As a description, we'll add something like decision engine for ITN2M Bank. Once we're done, and as soon as we confirm, the project will show up on our workflows page, and we can click it to start working on our first rule set. All right, when we click on the rule set tab on the left side here, we're going to be met with an empty page. So time to set everything up. I'm going to click on create rule set on the top right here, and I'm going to call this set ITN2M approval, which means it will contain all of our approval rules. Since we're going to be approving by age, we'll call this group age. And I'm going to say if the customer underscore age, and remember, the names of the features have to match the naming convention within our bank, and we have ways of ensuring that within Konan that we'll get to a little bit later. So again, if the customer age, let's say, is greater than, we have to make sure, of course, that this is a number. So if it's greater than 55, right? Or I'm gonna say, or if the customer age is lower than, and again we have to make sure that this is a number, is lower than 61, which means they're somehow part of a specific program that maybe we've developed inside the bank, then we should return the label approve, right? Once that's done, we will simply click on save here, and there it is, our first rule, and we're done. And in the next episode, we'll be looking at how to create a set of rejection rules, actually. And so what do you think so far? Does this seem like something you might be able to use for your decision workflow? Let us know in the comments, and we'll see you in the next one.